I turn the light off. Alright. I'll turn off the light, put the phone back up above. I got a larger screwdriver now that might be what I need to pry this off of there. Might need to drill it some more. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, that one's free now. That's 3 of the 4. What the heck is holding it in there still? That one's free. That's free. This one's not quite free. There it goes. Alright, so that's out. Bring this down again. So you can see those posts are a little rough looking. Sorry, this thing won't focus. Doesn't like to focus that close. To hold it more steady, it might work better. Alright. So they're a little rough now, but I'll clean them up, and then I'll try and get the other fan off of its bracket, I think, unless I can come up with another plan. If I get the other fan off and I clean this up, then I can put that one on here.